What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stab at Square Photography, bringing you back another video. Hey. Now, today, look who we have back with us.
Hi guys, it's Nicole.
Yes, guys, she is back with us, guys. And of course, I have done a couple of videos with her, guys. Y'all seen the videos before. It was nothing but music only. And the reason why I've done that, because I have mic situations. So I hit her up very last minute and asked her to come out to redo this so she can properly introduce herself and you can hear her voice. Is that right? Is that right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, that's right, guys. So that's the reason why we're redoing this video. Of course, I can shoot Nicole again. Why not be able to shoot with Nicole? Our pictures come out pretty good, don't they?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy them?
I enjoy them.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why are you so nervous?
I'm not nervous.
Do you enjoy the pictures, yes or no?
Yes, I do.
She's like, yes, I don't know. What do you really trying to tell me?
They came out really nice.
Okay, all right, guys. I believe you on that one, guys. Of course. So therefore, like I said, why not shoot with Nicole again, guys? So we're here down here at Lexington Green. You can kind of see the scenery right behind us. It's going to be very quick. She got this one outfit on with this nice fitted dress. Whew. As you can see, turn around, and we're just going to take a couple photos here. Like I said, the fall thing, the color is actually really going to work well with this whole vibe that we got going on here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. Now, Nicole, are you ready to get the work in?
I'm ready. Let's go.
She's ready, guys. Let's get the work. Let's get the work. Let's get the work. Let's get the fucking work. Let's do this. Let's do it. All right. Let's test the flash power. Let me see what I want. Hey, it works. I love that pose, though. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I love that. 1, 2, 3. You look like you're serving the military. You service the military out there. All right, for all our service. My photos look good. Thank you. Thank you. I like that though. We'll come off of it just a tad bit. Yeah. And then bring your arm a little bit more in. Yeah. Yeah, stay just like that for me. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I love that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I love that. Look at me now. Yeah, I love that thing. All right, I'm gonna get a couple full bodies that we can go. Actually, I'll just have you swap sides. So we go from here to here, then I can get more of this in the background. But I'm gonna keep you here first. So go back here, do the same poses. I'm just gonna get full body now. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah. That's perfect. Stay just like that, nigga. Yeah, that's perfect. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now look at me. Yeah, I love that. Stay right there. I like it like that. Yeah, I like it like that. You can actually kind of play with it like that too. I like that like that. Nicole, that's just me. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Scoot over towards the thing. Yeah, you be scooting out like you're so tall. Like, why do you do it? Like, you push out like you're so tall. Like, what are you doing, man? Hold that pose, actually. Hold that pose. Yeah, hold that pose, mister. You look like you're so tall. All right, now get closer to it. Yeah. Now look down. Cross your legs. Look down. Bring your head down. Look down just like that. Yeah. Close your eyes for me.
Close my eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. Yeah. Now open them. Okay. Now close them. Close them again. All right. When I say 1, 2, 3, open, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you didn't open. Okay, I can vibe with that. Yeah, just there, it's like that. Actually, put your tiptoe on the ground, actually. Across it like you was. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I love that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good job, Nicole. Pop your hip more, whichever hip. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. Take a step over though. Okay, right there, thank you. 1, 2, and 3. Look at me, Nicole. 1, 2, and 3. All right, come on. Rotating ourselves over here. And we're gonna get this other stuff in the background. And then we could be done. All right, guys. We're gonna do the rest of our stuff here. Yeah, look at me, yeah. Nice. Nice. Since I'm gonna be sitting here, let's kind of have you on the edge. I know it's gonna be hard, but
Yeah.
maybe if we have one cheek here, bring one of your legs up. I mean, back. Yeah. But make sure your tiptoes on the ground though, touching the ground. Yeah, and then bring it back. Thank you. Just like that. Smile. Yeah, there you go. Don't be fronting on yourself. Yeah. There we go. Show the teeth. The pearlies. The pearlies. All right, ready? Hold that. Just like that. Don't move. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, when you gotta do it, you gotta say ham.
Out loud?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm for real. Let's go ahead. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, come on. You gotta keep saying it. You can't talk. You gotta. Yeah, go ahead. Stop again. Let's do it again. I forgot to cut the flash on. Go. All right, let's do it again. All right, here we go. Actually, look at me and give me a little smile there, the little smile there, yeah. There we go. Yeah, look that way, yeah. To wait on that one, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I like that actually, yeah. Bring the foot in just a tad bit. Yeah, they'd be on your tiptoes. Yeah. You just stretch everything out like you 5'11", bro. All right, you ready? Ready? All right. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Don't arch your back too much. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, get over, take a step over closer. It's 3 muscles. No, go back. Yeah, right there. Then you went too far. You see that line? I need you, no, this one. In between? Yep. All right, now do that pose. 1, 2, 3. Hang on. 1, 2, 3. Now look straight. Yeah. 1, 2, and 3. Come on, Nick. Come on, Nick at night. Come on, Nick at night. Ready for this heat? Come on, Nick at night. Come on.
That's what I'm saying.
It's right at the bottom. Let me see. No, let me. Yeah. Now, let's go back forward like he was. Remember, I need your body to be in the middle of this line. Yeah. No, I don't want to turn you so much, but you have to give me your on. You have to get to on your left side.
Oh, okay. I got it.
Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. You do it perfectly. Well, tighten that core up for me then. All right, there we go. Tighten the core up. Yeah, hold that pose. Look this way. Oh yeah, I love it. Hey, look at me. Smile for me. Yeah, there you go. Now hold that. I'm coming in closer. We're gonna be done after this. 1, 2, 3. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Nicole and I put in for you. Now, Nicole, how did you enjoy the shoot today?
Today's shoot was spectacular.
Yes, it was, guys. I hope y'all really enjoyed those photos, man. She came out here and killed it again, man. It was very, very quickly. We did the live thing. We did this. This is a whole nice little venue. Like, the day was really nice, actually, guys. Like, it really was like 80 degrees out here. It's like super nice out here today. And we seen a duck fight.
We saw a duck fight, yeah. They went crazy. They
was going fucking crazy.
They were beating each other's ass.
All the other ducks was just like swimming around like nothing was happening. Like, and they was just like going at it. Like, it was fucking crazy. But yeah, so like again, if you want to work well, so it's gonna be that description box below. Well, of course, we'll pop on screen. Bye. Now, Nicole, do you want to say anything else to the peeps?
No, thank you guys for watching. It was a pleasure working with you once again.
Thank you, guys. Peace. Peace. Ooh.
I need to learn how to do that dance that you do.
Look at that. Uh-oh, run it, man.
Do it with you.
At night, I think of you. I want to be your man. If you give me this on the get call
Hey.
All right, man. All right, now. She was way too quick.
I can do it again, do it again, do it again.
Of course, guys, if y'all want to work with Nicole, all the stuff is going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Now.
Oh, I thought you were going to say bye. I'm sorry.
Nicole comes in at the wrong freaking times every time, man.